Choosing the right card can unlock incredible rewards or plunge you into debt. Today we'll guide you through the steps to select the best credit card for you. Stay tuned because our final tip could make all the difference. Welcome back to Financial Blueprints. If you're new here, we're all about helping you take control of your finances. Today we're diving into how to choose the best credit card for your needs. Stick around until the end for a crucial insight that can simplify your decision-making process. First, identify your spending habits. Do you spend more on groceries, dining out, or travel? Knowing where your money goes can help you choose a card that maximizes rewards in those categories. Look for a card that offers higher reward rates in your top spending categories. For example, if you travel frequently, a travel rewards card might be your best bet. Alternatively, if you spend a lot on groceries and gas, a card that offers cashback in those categories could save you money. Next, consider your credit score. Your credit score determines which cards you qualify for and the interest rates you'll receive. If you have a high score, you'll have access to premium cards with better rewards and perks. If your score is lower, look for cards designed to help build or rebuild credit. These cards may have fewer rewards but can be a stepping stone to better options in the future. Secured credit cards, which require a deposit, are also a good option for building credit. Evaluate the fees and interest rates. Some cards offer great rewards but come with high annual fees. Make sure the benefits outweigh the costs. For instance, if a card offers $200 in rewards annually but charges a $150 annual fee, it might not be worth it unless you maximize the benefits. Also, consider the interest rates, especially if you plan to carry a balance. A lower interest rate can save you money in the long run. Many cards offer a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers, which can be beneficial if you plan to make a big purchase or transfer existing debt. Look for additional perks. Some cards offer travel insurance, purchase protection, extended warranties, and more. These perks can add significant value to the card. For frequent travelers, cards with no foreign transaction fees and access to airport lounges can be particularly valuable. Other perks might include access to exclusive events, discounts on dining, or free checked bags on flights. Choose a card with perks that align with your lifestyle. For example, some cards offer free subscription services or discounts on streaming services, which can be great if you use those services regularly. Read user reviews and ratings. Hearing from other cardholders can give you insights into the card's pros and cons that you won't find in the marketing materials. Look for patterns in the reviews to identify potential issues, such as poor customer service or hidden fees. Pay attention to common complaints or praises to get a balanced view of the card's real-world performance. Websites like NerdWallet and Credit Karma provide detailed reviews and ratings to help you make an informed decision. Once you've narrowed down your choices, it's time to apply. Most credit card applications can be completed online, and you'll usually get a response within minutes. Before you apply, check if you're pre-approved to avoid unnecessary hard inquiries on your credit report. If you're approved, congratulations! Remember to read the terms and conditions carefully and activate your card as soon as it arrives. And now, for our crucial insight, don't feel pressured to get more than one card at a time. Start with one that fits your primary needs. You can always diversify your card portfolio as your financial situation and spending habits evolve. Monitor your usage and keep track of your rewards. Using your card wisely can help you build credit and take advantage of the benefits without falling into debt. So there you have it, a guide to choosing the best credit card for you. By understanding your spending habits, considering your credit score, evaluating fees and interest rates, looking for additional perks, reading user reviews, and knowing how to apply, you can make an informed decision. If you haven't seen our previous videos on the risks and benefits of credit cards and managing your credit score, be sure to check them out for more foundational tips. And stay tuned for our next video on how to use credit cards responsibly for maintaining financial health. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Financial Blueprints, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care and stay smart with your money.